Good morning, students of class 2. We have come back to your moral science class. Wish you a very happy new year. Hope you have enjoyed the vacation nicely. We have already completed our two chapters 9 and 10. I have sent you the questions from chapter 9 and 10. Today I am going to start chapter 11. This is the last chapter of your book. Grandma was a girl. And I think you know your moral science exam will be going to start from first week of February. Okay, so we have to go through the chapters nicely. You have to learn the meanings and opposite words and each and every details of the chapters. Okay, go through the stories and poem nicely, then you can answer the question nicely. Grandma was a girl. Brucey the squirrel had a friend of happy ways. They hugged and laughed and talked for hours through the days. Here, Brucey, a name of a squirrel. The poem is about a squirrel. The Brucey, the squirrel, she has a good friend. She always played and talked with her, and it was her very dear grandma. Grandma's father of my mother of father or mother of a mother is called grandmother. It was her very dear grandmother visiting Bruce's nest. She wore glasses to see better and she wore her Sunday's best. She came to Bruce's nest with wearing glass and Sunday's best robe. Grandma brought her goodies that she had cooked and baked. She hugged Bruce's tight, though her bones and arms ached. She bought some good tasty eating things for Brucey, which she had cooked and baked in her home, and she held Brucey tightly with her arms, though her arms are aching, those arms are getting hurt. She brought her books to read with stories that were fun. She read them out to Brucey, every single one. She brought one storybook for her to read the good story for Brucey. Let's play now, said Brucey. Grandma shook her head. I feel a little tired. Do you mind if I go to bed? Brucey insisted her to play, but Grandma shook her head, and told that she was feeling tired. She wanted to go to bed for taking a rest. Prissy was most sorry that Grandma would not play, but she knew Grandma would wake fresh to brighten another day. She, she was sorry for that Grandma was not going to play with her, but she knew that if she take rest, she will be brighter enough for the next day. She cuddled up near Grandma to hear one story more. Then, what did she do? She sat near Grandma to listen one story. But Grandma started the story, but she could not continue it. When she started, she told that when I was little like you. She started with the words, but she fell asleep. She told that she was a very young like her, and is Brucey heard her snoring. What was it? Grandma said that she was once very small. Brucey was impressed by the word that Grandma was a small like her. She was very interested with the words, and she also told what was it that Grandma said that she was once very small like Brucey is today and loved by one and all, and everybody loved her. She was very impressed by that words. What do we learn from these chapters? We learn that we love our grandparents and they love us too. Grandparents were once young like us, and it is fun to spend time with grandparents. Here are some meanings: good is tasty things to eat, snore, loud breathing sound while sleeping, ached, hurt. What do we learn from these chapters? We learn from these chapters also that we must take care of the elderly people. We must take care of them nicely. We must treat them with love and respect. We must talk to them regularly. Yes, we also want to learn or take care of their health, and the elderly people were once young and healthy like us. We have to remember that. Okay, thank you for today.